Make a great choice today with the 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, steering wheel controls, security system, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Owners of a certified pre-owned Mitsubishi vehicle get the same powertrain limited warranty coverage as the original owner. Even better, there is zero deductible for all covered repairs. And just to make sure they have you covered, they provide 24-hour roadside assistance at no cost, while the certified warranty is in effect. Check out your local Mitsubishi dealer today to find out all the details.